Hello everyone, myself architect Nimish Pawar from AN Studio. I am into architectural and interior design practice since last more than 10 years. Now I am gonna give you few tips which you need to follow while development of any property or doing any interiors. The challenge most of the people face in any project is a very tight budget, and in that tight budget they need to fulfill lot of requirements. So what they do is they start following different vendors, contractors, carpenters, electricians, and they start getting rates from them. The contractors who are capable of handling different items together, they give pricing in lump sum basis sometimes, and the number of items in any project, for example in any interior project, the number of items to be done are about 150 to 200 or sometimes even more than that. Many times due to this misjudgment of so many number of items, the cost of entire projects is really unpredictable and which completely disturbs the budget. And such situation arises almost in between the project where there is no way out, and the client has to go through a lot of stresses to control the situation and complete the project. Now I am gonna tell 3 steps which makes things easy while developing any property or an interior project. Step number 1: to fulfill all your requirements and expectations from your project, for example functionality, utility, aesthetic concepts, technical specification, you need to appoint an architect or an interior designer. They can resolve every aspect of the project in very detailed manner on drawings and design. Step number 2: once the designs and detailed drawings are ready, you can proceed to work out estimates which can give very realistic cost for entire project. At this stage, you can revise all detailings like quantum of work, material specification, selection of materials, technical details to match to your budget. This task is again very important to fine-tune every detailed aspect of the project which no underqualified person can do. Step number 3: execution of entire project with respect to these drawings and estimates under supervision and guidelines of architect. It can control quality of workmanship, schedule and timelines, material wastage, and many other benefits you can get by following this process. These steps can deliver best results to any project. To follow all these steps, you need to engage with an architect or an interior designer. But there is a myth that people believe that the charges involved to hire architect or an interior designer are quite higher, and they skip this process and start working with most of the time underqualified contractors, vendors or carpenters. And the fact is, fees component of architect and designers is very reasonable considering the results are achieved with a well-designed project. In today's world, the space constraints are so expensive affair, and the real estate prices are so high that the wastage of space is also kind of loss. Just calculate the cost of 10 square feet which you could not utilize, or if you get extra utility from a good space planning. Hope you liked our tips and suggestions. Please follow us on anstudio.co.in. Once again, this is Nimish Pawar, and thanks a lot for watching our video. See you again.